Hello, good morning everyone, Revoring here. Today, I want to go out and do some street photography using this Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II. And I'm only going to use the 2060 kit lens. I want to shoot in JPG only, but I'm going to use the new real-time LUT feature, and I'm going to apply the LUT from the company called Gamut, which is the Kinet 02. So I will apply the in body so that by the time I got the JPG, it is already with the LUT, and I'm going to do zero editing with all the photos, so give myself a little bit of challenge. I'm not going to adjust anything at all, not even a bit of exposure or cropping or adjusting the horizontal, anything. I'm not going to do anything. So whatever I capture, that would be the final photo that I'm going to show you in this video. So just give myself a little bit of challenge, try to get everything right in camera. I usually do shoot raw, and I mentioned before that I want to do a bit of street photography using the 64 to 20 or 65 to 24, 24 to 25, that ultra wide aspect ratio crop that the camera can do, maybe give it a little bit more cinematic look. So I'm going to shoot all the photos in this video using that aspect ratio. I still haven't decided where I'm going to today. Maybe some of the places that I have previously visited in this trip, but didn't have too much time to slow down and properly take some photos. I may go back to some of those places like Shinjuku, or maybe I'm going to explore some other new places as well. So let's see, and let's go out now. I'll grab some breakfast first, and then we'll start taking photos.
One thing I find really interesting is the sunlight here in Japan, especially Tokyo. It looks very different, at least very different to the sunlight in New Zealand. I don't know how to describe it. On a sunny day, the sun just looks super cinematic. It just looks very nice. I don't know how to describe it really, but yeah. Maybe something to do with the winter now, so the sun doesn't rise up too high, or maybe something else, but I don't know. But I just love that when the sun comes out here in Tokyo during this trip, everything just looks so nice. That makes it very easy to take some good photo as well.